Today activity is fishing. Wish us luck.
Hello, Amma.
Hi, Hennah.
I want to not fish anymore.
No fish anymore.
I want to, but I don't have it. Look at
Oh.
that, I must the pink.
Oh, you
Because
can't
it's drop it, the Nugu drop it.
Oh no. Today is our second day here and it's afternoon already. This is the beautiful island of Hansan. We're back here, guys. Same camping area because we love it in here. We've been fishing since today morning, but there's no fish. Guys, it's 6 p.m. and we just wake up from afternoon nap. And this is the view. So beautiful. It's baby hens playing again with her scooter. It's Bana relaxing with his cozy chair. And here's the other side of the view, guys. So beautiful place. Yay, he catch fish. Snake fish here, guys. Yay. Yeah. Oh my gosh! Scary. Yay! We will throw it back because it's so small. Goodbye, snake fish!